Welcome to day 6 of MindGarden's Intro to Meditation course. Sit comfortably, place your hands on your lap, and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose, and as you exhale, relax into it. One of the many beautiful gifts of meditation practice is the clarity we gain. Our mind is like a body of water, like a lake. Without mindfulness, we are unaware of our constant thinking, and all these thoughts are like pebbles being thrown into the lake, creating all this movement in the water. For many of us, this movement is constant, and our mind is never still. If we try to look into the water and see our reflection while it's moving like this, we won't be able to see ourselves clearly. Our face would be distorted and moving in all sorts of weird ways. As a whole, we've just gotten used to this constant movement of the mind. We've accepted it as normal. But as we practice meditation, we begin to cultivate a stillness in the mind, and we begin to see things clearly. For this practice, imagine you're sitting at the edge of a dock, looking down at the lake of your mind. See the water moving when thoughts come, and see the water become still as they go. Don't try to force yourself to stop thinking, because this will just create more movement in the lake. Instead, just relax and watch the water. When these ripples are created, just notice them and watch them disappear into the surface. As you relax and stop trying to calm the water yourself, notice how it becomes calm on its own. Continue to watch the water become still for a few moments, relaxing more with each breath you take. See your reflection looking back at you with eyes of peace and clarity. If we want this kind of clarity in life, with ourselves, with loved ones, with our careers, with anything, we need to take some time and cultivate this stillness within our mind. Otherwise, the constant movement of thoughts will continue to distort our life. With this practice, we're learning to see past the movement of thoughts and see life exactly as it is. This is meditation. Bring this practice with you into your day, and when you feel the mind moving and distorting your view, take a step back and watch the mind become calm and clear on its own. As always, thank yourself for taking the time today to care for your mind. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. I'll see you tomorrow.